think so.
Right?
Let's see, we got Water Department, Planning Commission Surveyor, Health Department, right, Vital Records, Health Clinic, Conference Room.
You in there?
Yeah, yeah, she's sitting right there. There's somebody sitting over here to the left. We're in the health department, huh? Or clinic.
Recording.
Why?
Because I want to.
For what?
My own purposes. Vital records. Oh, it's locked. Let's go.
Hope not.
What are you guys doing? Are you gonna answer? Step out.
Don't touch me.
Step out of our office, please. Leave.
Public office.
People. You don't touch nobody. What's wrong?
I'm asking him to leave.
It's a public office, ma'am. You're open to the public.
What are you recording?
Anything we can see from public? Yeah, it's a public office. You guys are open to the public.
Mm-hmm.
You don't get to discriminate against somebody because they have a camera.
I'm just curious what you're needing.
Oh, we're just walking
Just
around,
looking
taking
around.
pictures of the public building, whatever we can see, public spaces. We don't want to go back in your private offices or anything like that, but anything we can see from public.
All this information is online.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's more of a test to see if you
I know
guys.
Randy said just to
Yeah.
do whatever and.
Yeah. Just respect our right to record from a public space, and we like to come
Well,
in.
but you didn't bother answering either.
Yeah, but I don't have to.
Well,
And I don't
That was-
necessarily.
No,
want
you
that
absolutely
video,
don't.
so-
You absolutely don't.
But you're videotaping me when you haven't asked my permission to.
Don't need it.
But I don't, you're a public employee, ma'am. All of your picture, your name, and all your information is a matter of public record. Yeah.
She's gonna call the sheriff. That's a waste of taxpayer
I
money.
just came from the sheriff's department. You shouldn't call the cops. We're not doing anything illegal. We're just trying to make sure you don't leave any personal information.
Yeah,
laying
call
out
the
there.
cops. I'll
Yeah.
file assault charges against the one who tried to shove me out the door.
Yeah, that's assault.
You want to play games? We can play games.
Any unwanted touching is assault.
You want to act like ignorant asses? We can play your game.
We sure can.
Try and push me out the fucking door.
I don't understand people when they put their hands on people. I just don't get it. It's not like we walk around putting our hands on people.
We're in two. You gotta go
Oh,
one.
we're on two.
One's the basement.
Oh, one's the basement.
Homeland Security.
Mm-hmm. That's who does all the elevator inspections in Indiana.
At least that
apparently.
one has an inspection on it.
Yeah, yeah. The last one did too. Where we went, the last place we went, the elevator. I don't remember.
The
Library.
the city
Library.
hall in the Valparaiso didn't have it.
Oh no, no, it didn't. Future extension.
Purdue Extension?
Noble County. Program assistant,
Agriculture, 4-H.
Oh, can I help you?
Senior of Family Sciences, 4-H. We're just taking pictures, man.
Okay, is it for the county or?
Pardon me?
Is
It's
there-
for my YouTube channel.
Okay,
Helping others grow. That's awesome.
yeah, the volunteer organizations and the Ag Natural Resources Department.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I seen the 4-H thing. I was never in 4-H.
Yeah.
They do a lot of farming, don't they?
Livestock projects, some of the kids have lots of
Gecko room. Purdue. Oh, that's Purdue College Extension
Yeah.
down there? Nice. Okay. I should have took the stairs down, the Vader up.
Yep.
I'm doing it all backwards. I gotta keep your butt off my video. Everybody keeps saying on my video how nice of an ass you got.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
Keep giving
funny.
them the moonshot and go upstairs. Okay, she's gone. She was, there was some lady sitting here, I didn't want to come in.
Yeah, she's in that office right there.
Yeah.
right now.
Awesome.
You went running off this way. Where's Randy?
That's Randy.
No, I said, where's Randy?
I'm doing good, how are you?
Are you Randy?
Working hard today? That's what I like.
Do you know where Randy is?
Yeah. I work hard every day. This thing gets heavy.
The door at the end of the hall, right,
Just walk around.
is the surveyor's office.
Okay.
Randy's the surveyor.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep. Yep, yeah, I go around, we go around the, all the government homes.
Oh, Vital Records is open now. Always pray to have eyes that see the best in me. Never gets the man. I like that plaque. Yeah. Holiday schedule.
I'm sorry, you can't record those numbers. Those are state numbers. I'm not supposed to
Vital
be giving
Records
out.
is open now, huh?
What numbers are you talking about?
What's
That's
that?
there.
What's
Oh,
that?
too bad. I'm already recording it.
What is all the numbers?
Half of them don't work, but
Oh.
they're my backdoor numbers
Gotcha.
to the state, so I can't have you.
Then you shouldn't post them where the public can see them. Anything
And I
we
don't
can
want
see in
myself
public,
on the
we can
camera.
record.
Sorry.
And you're on
Always
camera
pray
too.
To have eyes that see the best in people, a heart that forgives the worst, a mind that forgets the bad, and a soul that never loses faith in God. Amen. I like that.
Mm-hmm.
You have a wonderful day, man.
You too.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
It's a glass window that I can see through, and if I didn't have a camera and I walked up to this door, I could still see all that. So if I had a photographic camera, it'd be just like having a camera, you know?
Do I need to call sheriff?
Well, I don't think you should.
Ignorance
You're
is
not doing
bliss.
anything illegal. This lady right here, she's a passing grade. She's done really well. I don't want to give her a hard time. I see on the phone again. I think she's on the sheriff this time.
Oh, that one shut her blind there and then took off after she got off
Walk
the
up to
phone.
that door right there. She got super mad.
Did she?
Oh yeah. Says
This
she's on
guy
the
looks
sheriff
super
again.
irritated.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is like old nursing home or something.
Could
Or
be.
This was the original admin building. It's just
I
a
don't know.
structure. I don't know. Got a grand entrance there.
Right.
So yeah, I guess she's calling the popo. Again?
Oh yeah, big huge piece of glass to look through.
What do you expect with a big huge door there?
Yeah. I hope she does call the sheriff, because I'll be filing charges against the one who tried to shove me.
Right?
If the sheriff shows up, that's what's happening.
Right?
This young lady in this office so upset.
So mad.
She slammed down the blinds there.
I don't know about you, but I get tired of carrying my shit around.
She's a cool one. Cool as a cucumber.
Cool as a cucumber.
Yeah, look at these guys.
Hey, what you guys up to today?
6'2",
Well,
just like every other day.
that's right. You need to sign a waiver so I can be on your film there?
I don't need a waiver.
Okay. You have identification on you?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your purpose here today?
You see it.
Just filming public spaces?
Yep.
All right, very good.
What's your name?
I don't have to tell you that.
You're a public employee, aren't you?
Nope.
Oh, yeah? I don't believe that.
Yep. Great technology.
Mm-hmm. Isn't it, though?
It is, yeah. You guys have a good day.
You too. Mm-hmm. Did you get all those plates over there? Okay. Yeah, halfway. Not completely though. There's the one that pushed on me.
Yeah. Yeah, she's the one that
Yeah,
come.
there she is.
She's the one that come out and threatened to call the cops again.
Yeah.
I had they put a curtain over this window.
Did they really?
Over this door. They put a curtain over the door.
Let me see. So that must have already been there.
Yeah, probably.
Mhm.
They should have closed it and put it.
Yep.
All right, no. I almost bet the cops ain't gonna come.
All right. Yeah, we can call it.